As a college freshman, one of the challenges I've encountered was the academic adjustment. The sudden shift from high school to college was a big change because I was used to the way of life in high school. Unlike high school, college doesn't spoon-feed information. I had to take the initiative to learn and seek help when needed, which was a culture shock since I used to the high school system. College classes are more difficult and require more critical thinking skills. I needed to learn to analyze information, solve problems, and think creatively. This was tough for me, even though I was an honor student in high school. College humbled me, and those honors made me realize that I couldn't just rely on memorization. I had to learn to comprehend and understand the lessons quickly. College life was totally different from high school. Everything was new, the place, the people, and how things worked. It was a lot to adjust to, and it made me feel overwhelmed and confused. It was hard for me to adapt quickly. As a CSU student, we are expected to uphold the university's values of responsibility and maturity. This means following the rules, respecting others, and being a student. However, transitioning from high school to college can be challenging, and it can be difficult to maintain these values at first. One of the biggest challenges is the academic workload. College classes are more demanding than high school classes, and students are expected to manage their time effectively. This can be overwhelming, especially for freshmen like me who are still adjusting to college life. With so much work to do, it can be easy to neglect other responsibilities, such as attending class, turning in assignments on time, and participating in class discussions. Another challenge is balancing academic responsibilities with social activities. College is a time for fun and making new friends, but it's important to find a balance. Spending too much time socializing can negatively impact academic performance. It's essential to prioritize schoolwork and use free time wisely. Despite these challenges, it's important to remember that CSU expects its students to be responsible and mature by setting goals, managing time effectively, and seeking help when needed. Me and my fellow students can successfully navigate the challenges of college life and uphold the university's values. As we continue to grow and learn, we can strive to be the best version of ourselves and contribute positively to the CSU community. The 21st century skills that would help me overcome academic adjustment are adaptability, scheduling, and calendar management. The ability to adapt quickly to the environment and manage my time and schedule will help me manage my academic responsibilities and survive my college life. Once I manage these challenges, I can balance my academic responsibilities and I will be able to excel in my courses and see improvements in myself.